Okay, guys, this is the first time I'm doing this, but I really need your help. So, first time recording in English as well here. But last week I posted a tweet saying that OpenAI just killed my SaaS. And for those who don't know, I have a SaaS called Persua. Persua is like Cluely, but we are very focused on LATAM, Latin America, Brazil, and we have other things, but that doesn't matter. I'm just giving you a reference so you can understand where I am. So OpenAI launched the GPT Real Time 2. So basically here they are sharing the I don't know, the most useful tool ever. There's like basically it's connecting your Kanban board to your GPT, right? To try to steal also the PM jobs. So
What if your Kanban board moved tickets,
yeah,
tagged blockers, and
what
flagged
if?
risks when your team talked?
What if, right? But the most important thing I was thinking like, will OpenAI kill my SaaS because my SaaS is just me connecting your computer to other models like local models in OpenAI and so on. But it's like Fluidity, right? So I don't need to catch you up. So gradually, Claude, like Anthropic and OpenAI, they are always launching a new features and integrating those features to meetings, right? So basically eating some a piece of the cake that Cluely, that me, that Cheating Daddy, that others like 100 copycat of Cluely are doing. And I was thinking, no, I'm not. I will not let OpenAI kill my SaaS. I will use it, right? And I think that's actually what OpenAI wants me to do, is to make you burn more OpenAI tokens. So what I did, I was using Persua to study. So I was just testing here with this CS50 lecture. This is a Harvard course, free online that you can watch on YouTube. So I was using Persua to stud, right? And then my idea was like, what if I integrate the new real-time GPT-2 into Persua, so we could create like a Persua memory assistant. So I could basically talk with my recent sessions. So here you can have your technical meetings, your interviews, your study material, or your cold call with clients, and so on. So let me play, and then you will understand what I built. Then let me know like, is this good enough to release? Do you think my product is competitive? Then let me know here in the comments, okay? If you wanna like, I really wanna, I wanna like burst the bubble. I don't know how to say that in English, but I want to like reach people outside Brazil because I have an audience in Brazil, but this product I'm building to be like a global thing. So I really appreciate if you could share with your I don't know, international colleagues or friends. Okay, so start memory assistant, and I hope this doesn't crash. Hi, are you here or are you there?
I'm here, loud and clear. What would you like to do? Search a past session, resume one, or start fresh?
Yeah, I want to search a session about bits and the evolution of characters. It was administrated by a professor of CS50.
Got it. A quick search for that session topic is coming right up. I didn't find any sessions matching bits, evolution, characters, CS50 professor.
Okay, I see your confusion because that session is actually in Portuguese. So probably just search for CS50 and you will find.
Nice catch. Searching for CS50 should surface the right session. I found one matching session titled CS50 Bits e Evolução da Codificação de Caracteres, dated May 13th at 2:23 p.m.
Okay, that's great. You don't need to read in Portuguese, okay? You can just read in English. Tell me what was uh, teach there.
All right, let me pull up the context from that session and walk you through it. That session covered how computers represent characters with bits. It showed that 8 bits allow only 256 values, which works for basic ASCII but not for all languages and symbols.
Okay, that's great. That's the one. Can you resume that session for me? I wanna play with it.
Sure, resuming that session so you can jump back in. You're back in that CS50 session now. What do you want to try? More encoding examples, bit ranges, or exploring Unicode characters?
No, I think we are good. Can you just send me this by email?
Got it. I'll pull the key context and send a concise email summary. The email didn't go through because the system reported an unsupported email type.
Oh,
If
that's
you
fine. That's fine. I mean, can you just you can just like end the session here. I think we are good.
All right, I'll wrap things up for you.
And that's it. So basically, this assistant can read my SQLite database and can search for sessions, and it can resume a session, as you can see here. So like you can go back to a meeting and resume from there. What I mean by that is that like you can iterate. Now I can like go here and record myself asking questions now to Pursua, you know. So this now is working like a normal session that you would see in products like Cludy or Pursua if you never heard of us. Um, so that's it. So that resume that meeting and you can like keep going on and building more content around that topic or and creating more memories, and it will also send an overview of what you were discussing with the assistant. So let's say that you have like a huge meeting and you start talking with Pursue a memory assistant, and you are basically generating more content, right? Maybe you are asking questions, follow-ups about a topic that you don't have the full context, or you are not aware of other things that you could be studying, and in the end you will be able to ask to send an email for you, because we already support sending emails. I don't know what happened here. I just built this feature, so maybe it's just a small bug, but let me know here what you think. And I will be releasing this next Sunday after church probably. So I will really really appreciate if you could give me a feedback before that. Okay, that's it. Don't forget, hydrate yourself, and that's it.